So we're checking this MUNDUK modding plantation, and it's very difficult to come here. 3 hours from the airport. Welcome to MUNDUK modding plantation. It's a coffee plantation. So restaurants and lobby going on the left, and they have badminton and tennis court on the right. And here's Berna parking the car. And we need to ride the buggy to get to the restaurant. Okay, tayong dalawa, no? Okay, let's go. All right. This must be a very big plantation, huh? From the Philippines.
Oh.
Ang laki ng plantation na to. Oh, wow. So ito na ba yun? Oh, that's the lobby. Ang ganda naman ito. Ah? Wow. It's like a temple. Very nice. Wow, and the smell is good. Very nice incense they have here. So this is MUNDUK coffee plantation, and here you can have your own villa. And
Where are your plantations down there?
Yes.
oh wow,
Down there.
Okay, wow.
so the restaurant's here.
Yeah, the restaurant is here.
Oh, right. Oh, look at that. What a way to eat, huh? Okay, very nice restaurant.
Then we also have
Oh, look at that. What a view from the restaurant. So the restaurant is nice. I'm sure the villas are even much better. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Hello. So nice.
Thank you.
But very hard to come here. Yeah, very hard.
Yes, because we are in the mountain.
Yes, very hard to access, but very beautiful. I couldn't believe they have a place like this. Oh, so nice.
So here's our main swimming pool. And
Yes.
the swimming pool facing to the North Bali Sea. So
Wow.
here is North Bali Sea.
We came from the Buddhist temple. That's why the roads were very difficult.
So it's
Oh,
uphill.
wow.
It's uphill from
oh
the
my
Buddhist
god, I had to drive. Very hard
Oh,
drive.
Yeah.
look at this
Because we
view.
are in the high place, so the elevate here is
There's a
1,000
nice
meters
romantic
above
dinner
sea level.
somewhere there.
That's why you can feel it's a bit chilly here.
Yeah.
There's another swimming pool down there below.
Certainly. So we have another swimming pool
Oh.
and also the main jacuzzi.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that view. Amazing, huh? Wow.
Yeah, so can we use the table down there?
So for lunch,
We
or-
just have
Oh,
cocktails,
look at that.
drinks.
You can also
Yeah,
eat
yeah, and
on top.
some appetizer probably.
certainly.
So because we can only stay for 30 minutes.
Oh,
I want to
this
drive
is-
back to
this
Seminyak
is-
before it gets dark.
This is really
Is it going
very
down?
nice.
yes. So from here to Seminyak, it's going down. Maybe.
Wow. It's hard to believe there are places like this and on top of a mountain. So there must be a coffee shop here. Coffee shop?
Hello.
That's a coffee shop?
Coffee shop over
Okay,
here.
very nice.
Hey.
So nice. Okay. So the villas are here. Look at that, huh? I'm sure the villas are very nice too. Wow, what a place to have a romantic dinner. Look at that, with candlelights, I'm sure at night. Yes. So romantic. So those are where you put the candles. Oh, wow. So it's near the swimming pool. How long is this place already?
So our resort is open starting from 2009.
Oh,
So
2009.
it's been 15 years old.
15 years old. It doesn't look old. Wow. On top is the swimming pool.
Can stay here?
Oh, we can drink and eat there, Berna? Oh, this is even better. Oh, another swimming pool down below. Oh, wow. Look at that. Amazing view. What a place. And look at that view. Huh? View of the mountain on the infinity pool. So there's Berna. Infinity pool on top. And another infinity pool here. What a place to be.
That's it, please.
Everything looks nice, huh? That's Berna there. This is the infinity pool. Wow, so nice. Imagine, huh? A very nice infinity pool, and if you go around, it's all mountains already. And this is the best part of that view while you're having your jacuzzi. Really so nice. So we're doing a 360-degree angle for you to appreciate this MUNDUK Plantation Spa and Resort. Goodbye and thank you for watching.